Hello, kids! Welcome to Farmyard Friends, Meet the Animals. Today, we're going to explore a magical farm. We'll get to know 5 wonderful animals that live here. Are you ready? Let's go! Farm animals. Kids, can you guess what farm animal this is? That's right, it's a cow. A cow, a cow, a cow. Our first friend is the lovely cow. They love to graze on grass in the fields. Cows give us milk. Kids, can you guess what farm animal this is? That's right, it's a pig. A pig. A pig. A pig. We have the playful pig. They enjoy rolling in the mud to avoid being bitten by insects. Pigs are very smart. Kids, can you guess what farm animal this is? That's right, it's a chicken. A chicken. A chicken. A chicken. Now, let's talk about the clucking chicken. Chickens lay eggs. They love to scratch for tasty bugs in the dirt. Kids, can you guess what farm animal this is? That's right, it's a horse. Our next friend is the magnificent horse. A horse. A horse. A horse. Horses are strong and fast. They love to run in wide open pastures. Kids, can you guess what farm animal this is? That's right, it's a sheep. A sheep. A sheep. A sheep. Sheep give us wool to make warm clothes. They go baa when they talk. Farm animals. We have met 5 farmyard friends today: cows, pigs, chickens, horses, and sheep. These animals make life on the farm so special. Thanks for joining us on this farmyard adventure. Always remember to be kind to our furry and feathered friends. Hello, I'm Ruby, your magical unicorn friend. Please like and subscribe to the channel to receive the latest videos. Bye bye.